Hello everyone. So our first topic is that is based on the last module of your syllabus is basics of JavaScript. So today we are discuss about what is JavaScript, where it is used, how it is used, and where we implement this, and where which organizations or those organizations that are using JavaScripting, what type of JavaScripting languages are used to adopt JavaScripting. So first of all, in introduction part we will discuss about the word most misunderstood in programming languages. In introduction section, first of all we discuss about the word most misunderstood programming languages. What is a misunderstood in the programming language? We think about this has nothing to do with Java. We say that Java is nothing, and we nothing to do with object-oriented functional languages designed to script language where Netscape Navigator is using. And traditionally we use that form of validation is acquired for using a programming language. And we use Walmart, PayPal, LinkedIn. These are multiple websites that are run on a various programming languages. We issue about this. So we will discuss about that in introduction chapter. What is JavaScripting? Where it is used? It is used by PayPal, Walmarts, and various latest web applications are embedded with the help of this scripting languages. And JavaScript is a prototype based scripting language as a dynamic typing and first class functional. Means if by use of this language we can make a dynamic website, we can make a prototype based website, a versionable website. And so the make it mix of feature makes it full multi-paradigm languages and supporting object-oriented, imperative, functional programming style. Means all object-oriented fundamentals, all operational fundamentals, all imperative, object-oriented fundamentals are adopted by a JavaScripting language and originally designed by the browser but not user literally everywhere. So it means ki we can use this language only for our browser purpose, not for other APIs. So this is the history of our JavaScripting. First, JavaScript is created by a Branch Eng in 1995, and then its first version is created after 10 days of its creation, and Microsoft released the JavaScript for Internet Explorer after a few months. Means after creation of this, Internet Explorer is adopted to use a JavaScript language, and Netscape Navigator is again a browser type that also uses ECMA for getting a standard for this. And latest coming, and these are the various comings of this JavaScript language. Second coming happened in Google's, then after Google, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, both are using a JavaScripting. These are latest versions are available now. So we will next to move to this. Who use JavaScripting? Who means where it is used. We always before its creation or after its creation in earlier versions we say that this is only for browsers, but now it is not for browser purpose. This is also a desktop application, API applications. So in the browser everywhere it is used. In the browser we use it for various type of applications like JavaScripting is used for mouse over events, mouse clicking events, various functions are adopted, various form validations are adopted with various application during registration form, during animation form. We use JavaScripting in HTML also. For in desktop, after Windows 8, Metro UI are for built using it, and iOS user WebKit engine for great UI interface. That means if you provide a user interface, good attractive interface to your desktop application like Windows 8 platform is here. So this also uses JavaScript language. And server side. In the server side, various websites like Walmart, PayPal, LinkedIn, Apple were all early adopter of a JavaScript language. The most companies moving to a Node.js. Node.js is a programming language. That is JS stands for JavaScript. So this Node.js is a programming language that uses scripting language. Its name is JavaScripting. IoTs, real-time system, these both are adopting a JavaScripting nowadays. And what can JavaScript do today? What can we do to with the help of JavaScript nowadays? Before that is only clicking event, only registration form, attraction like this. But nowadays we have run a virtual machine inside a browser. Virtual machine in sense that we can run a IaaS platforms here. IaaS means infrastructure as a services platform here. I mean we can build our own website with the help of JavaScripting platform and run a game inside a browser. Within a browser we can run a play HD games or higher definition games with the help of JavaScripting language also, and serve 300 million users without shooting out the CPU, or with the help of speed of JavaScript language is very fast because depend upon its speed, it's going to a huge response now, and help in making PPTs online, make real-time chat possible. Chatting box are using a JavaScripting. PPTs online creation is supported by JavaScripting. Lots of tools are using a JavaScripting nowadays. Now, what can JavaScript do is also we say that make cool graphics, car dashboards, panels, various online image editing tools, various online image creation tool, video editing tools. These all tools are using nowadays a JavaScript. So what language fundamentals? Language is here because JavaScripting we can't say that this is a language. For language fundamental, there are various data types supported by JavaScripting. These are some data types, and some of the data types are number, string, boolean, null, underline, and object data type. And these all data types are run differently. So I will give you some example with syntax also. See, first one is a number data type, second one is string, and third one is boolean data type. In number data type, we can define a number in JavaScript. We don't need to declare a variable. We don't need to declare any instance object. Without creating object, without creating variable, without creating any type of variable like integer, float, and this, we directly assign values or number to a JavaScript platform. You can see this example also. Here we use double precision math operator to define a operator. We can also run various types of arithmetic operation like on this also. And string means a collective of characters. Collection of characters is called string. So we can also assign a string in this also. A string can be assigned in various languages. We can use Hindi, Marathi, other languages also. So other websites like that are used for translation purposes, also using a JavaScripting. And boolean is again a data type that is used for true false purposes. This is also supported by a JavaScript languages. And next language that is null and undefined data types, and we have to declare a null variable also. For declaring a variable, see within this figure, we can declare a variable with the help of variable name is AB. We can declare variable with the help of var keyword. A var keyword is used to declare a variable. When we declare a var keyword, after var we just define AB. It means we declare a variable, but don't define a type of the variable. We only define a variable, or this is called null variable. When we assign an integer value, it will come into an integer variable. When we have a float value, it will come into a float variable. That string value, it comes to a string variable. So undefined is a type of variable that are not directly declared. These are declared on a runtime platforms. So next is objects. Objects also a data type. We can declare or create an object in this JavaScripting. So use this example. Here we can declare with the help of functions, with the help of arrays, data, and various type of regular expression. It is used to declare functions. So see, first example of function, that is function object. A function object created with the help of a keyword function. We have to just simply specify a name function, and after that a function name with parameter. Function name can be any alphanumeric character starting, or we can declare it here and call it at anywhere in the JavaScripting language. You can see this example. Here we use an add function. Add function is used with two types. First is creating directly, and then second is we create a variable add and then pass to this function value to add variable. Both are possible in this. We can discuss it earlier or discuss it on next videos also with the help of some example. And second one is array. Array is created with the help of array. We can declare array with the help of any keywords or any word, any alphanumeric variable, or with the help of rectangle braces. We will use rectangle braces, and within rectangle braces we specify the array size. This is a definition for array. And next is date. Date is also an object that defines a system date, time, day, and seconds. Every information is registered with the help of this. And regular expression is also object. Various type of regular expression for using for validation purposes is also adopted by this languages. And next we will discuss about a flow control mechanism. A flow control can be done with the help of various type of conditional statement. If then else, while, for, ternary operators, switch case, for, int, break, continue. These all object oriented conditional statements are adopted or run in JavaScript also. We can run easily with the help of JavaScript. We can run easily with the help of simple Java programming. in scripting languages. This is also done. So next is error handling. Error handling is also supported by JavaScripting. Error handling is done with the help of try-catch blocks. So JavaScript also supports a try-catch block. This is a syntax to create a try-catch block in our JavaScripting. We can use this try-catch block for error handling. Error handling also done with the help of built-in messages or user-defined messages. Both are supported by this JavaScript. And our last is ki how to debug our JavaScript. How we know that ki JavaScripting adopting our websites or not. If you run any website on your browser, just simply press F12. If you simply press F12, aspect inspect element is open, window is open. Here we can define that various elements of Java, various is scripting language adopted or not. We can see this figure. Within this figure we define that ki, where is JavaScripting used. It is a Firebug, is a development individual we use to classify what is debugging, how we debug, and why debugging. Without use of any special software like Node.js and this, we can debug our JavaScript language with the help of a simple browser also. We will debug it, inspect elements one by one, and we can access it. So this is all about JavaScripting. We will discuss today what is JavaScripting, how it is, where it is used, how it is used, and various elements. And this is all about JavaScript. In our next video, we will discuss various examples with JavaScripting. So any doubt, any query, you can access this video from my YouTube channel, and in comment box you can write any suggestion, or you can write any requirement or any query. You can add it and I will easily handle it. Thank you guys. Hope so you enjoy it. Thank you.